Okay, so this is just what I've learned about in the unit about prejudice, discrimination, or language. So like, I thought that cognate's really cool. I kind of learned about that when I was in high school, just about like similar words to English words. I never knew that it was called cognates, and that's really cool because I learned German in high school, and so like a lot of the German words are really similar to English words, such as like Buch, Buch in German is the same thing as like book in English, which is really cool. I just didn't know that. But it's also cool that I learned that the English language is really similar to Germanic, the Germanic like branch of the Indo-European language. So I thought that was cool. And then with prejudice and discrimination, I kind of really feel like I knew a lot about it already, just because like I don't know, grew up learning about it from my family. But I didn't know that stereotyping was like that. It's like an oversimplified thought about a certain group. Like I just didn't know that was a wording for it. For some reason, I kind of thought prejudice was similar to stereotyping, like the same definition. And so that was interesting to learn. I thought that was useful and good to be reminded of. And then if I could help in Bible translation, I would just ensure that I guess like all parts of the Bible are able to be read. I know that there's a ton of different languages that it's already in, and like we kind of learned that in that assignment, like that we looked at multiple different versions of, I believe it was John 3:16 in different languages. So if I could just help in that, I would just make it easier for it to be translated. And for other places and other like more like tribes, I'm sure like we could translate it better for tribes because they have a very probably like specific language that they speak that we don't really know.